Hello, I'm Terry from Fine Country and I welcome you today to the beautiful village of Helmden, which is situated perfectly for Banbury, Brackley and Buckingham as well. The first thing I want to talk to you about is a great benefit that you don't normally get with a Grade 2 listed cottage of this age. The parking here is amazing. You've got space for 5 to 6 cars and also an opportunity, subject to the relevant permissions, to put a garage up as well. But this is Yew Tree House, a wonderful home which I will now give you a tour of. So follow me inside and we will take a look. Upon entering the property, there is a cloakroom and stairs rising to the first floor. To the left of the cloakroom is the kitchen, which is beautifully presented. Also has a breakfast bar with space to get together with family for informal meals or breakfast. From the kitchen there is a small utility area with a door leading out to the rear garden. There are 3 fantastic reception rooms here at Yew Tree House. One of them is used as the formal dining room, which has French doors leading out to the rear sun terrace, and 2 additional reception rooms, one of which is the main sitting room and the other is a very flexible room which could also be a teenager's sitting room or a general family room. The first floor is accessed by 2 staircases, and on the one side of the house there are 2 large bedrooms, both of them having ensuite facilities. Whilst the other staircase leads to the other side of the house where there are additional 2 further bedrooms, both again having ensuite facilities. So in total we have 4 very good sized double bedrooms, each of them having an ensuite. Yew Tree House also sits on a very generous plot with gardens wrapping right the way around it as well. Beautiful mature gardens with lovely trees and again great space for children to play. Thank you very much for watching this tour. We'd be delighted to see you right here for a viewing, so if you'd like to come and see it, please give me a call. The telephone number is about to follow.